Okay guys, what's up? So today, on build day 2 of OBS Powerstroke, I was just at the wrecker picking up some things, some new dash vents. My headlight switch is all buggy. When I turn the headlights on, the dash lights don't come on until until you turn the interior light on. So I got a new headlight switch, hoping that fixes that. Then I got this piece of floor trim that goes right here. And some of my dash lights are burned out. I've got LEDs, so I'm gonna try doing those today. I've failed miserably the last few times, but maybe this will be the time I can do it. So we can try that, and then I picked up some new wheels. So let's go see that. So like I said, I was gonna go look at the rims near my place last night, and look at this. Oh my god. 355/50 R20s. And the wheels, like, I couldn't say no. So I went and he labeled them as 355 60 R20s. And he just said fuel rims, 8x170 bolt powered. So I went and looked at them, and I looked at the rims, and these are 20x12s. And I got this whole set, and there's 2 other tires that came with it, and I got them for 900 bucks. So these tires are all really good. So I'm just waiting on adapters now. I got 1.5 inch adapters, so I'm gonna need to trim down the studs a bit on my truck, but yeah. So I'm pretty stoked on this. Center caps won't be able to use, I don't think, unless the centerpiece pops out. I should actually look at that right now. I'm gonna look at that. Okay, so yes, this part does come out. So I can use this. I'll have to do this all the way around. For Super Duties, I think you can get away without doing it at all, but yeah, I'll just need to punch these out all the way around, which you won't be able to see fuel, but they'll look good. They will look real good. Yeah, so that's that. I'm pretty sure the headlight switch was messed up because I just plugged this one in, and it looks like at least that top light is turning on, but I'm just about to check with this hoodie. It's too bright out, so I can't really see. But the dimmer seems to be working. When you do these headlight switches, so far I've broke these tabs on the truck I took the headlight switch out of, and this one. So they're really brittle and fragile, so just try your best not to break them if you replace these, but it's almost impossible. So because I was trying real hard to be fragile, but yeah, so I'm just about to test that. Dash vents are in on that side, and then I'm gonna pull this cluster out and see if I can get some LEDs in there. That would be really awesome if I could, because I've got all those LEDs sitting in my garage. I'm pretty sure they should be the same ones, so let's hope. Okay, so yeah, confirmed the headlight switch was bad. So this was junk. It looks fine, but if your dimmers, or if your headlight switch only works when it's like turned all the way up, like your dash lights, your headlight switch is bad. So got a new one from the wrecker, and yeah. Oh, so I paid 20 bucks for all that stuff, and I got these helper leaves for the front. They have these blocks on them, so I don't know, like they were out of rear leaf springs, and yeah, so I'm gonna hopefully try and make those work and see what happens with that. And yeah, alright, so I got the cluster out, that bulb right there, that illumination one. We can do this. This was the bulb that came out of it. Okay, these are 194s. So if those are the LEDs I ordered, I'm in luck. I'm in business. And for anything, this is stupid. So I had the cluster out probably about 6 or 7 times. Tried putting all LEDs in, none of them came on. Swapped one of the LEDs around because they're polarity sensitive, and plugged another one back in, like another stock one back in place of an LED. Okay, turned it on. One LED worked, and then the other normal light worked. So I was like, okay, I'm getting somewhere. So I can leave that one and then start flip all the rest around. Did that, all of them turned off, including the stock one. So I was like, oh, cool. So at that point, I was like, nope, I'm done with this. And then I put all the stock ones back in, and now all my dash lights work, and I'm happy with that. And I will never buy LEDs. I want to smash these with a hammer. And yeah, so that's stupid. So I'm gonna put all this back together now that everything works. And then I guess I gotta clean this thing. It's pretty gross. Everything works. Now I can have some lunch and come back and clean this thing. Not the outside, I'll power wash that at work. But the inside for sure. Alright, so just got some fuel at lunch, and now it's time to clean out the inside of this thing. So hopefully this goes well. I guess I'll start with a vacuum, maybe. Gotta vacuum the headliner, like everything I need to wipe. Going out this probably like an hour-ish or something. But anyways, it's like fully clean here now. It's really nice. And pretty much all I gotta do now is there's like random screws that are loose or missing. Like just like a trim up there, that. Like this one's loose. These are all tight because I just put this in today, but there's like a bottom one over there that's missing. And yeah, just weird stuff, so I'm gonna tighten those up. And I gotta mount this cup holder. There's already a couple spaces for screws. I just gotta pound them through. And then I can get this cup holder mounted. Right in the middle here. That's where they always go. Just self-tappers right through the floor, I don't care. So go get the drill and do that. And that's pretty much it, I think. I shampooed the seat. I'm surprised how good condition the seat is in. Must have been swapped out at some point. But I also noticed these door, like the locks in the windows, they're hot all the time. So like you're always, like you can no matter where the ignition is, you can always roll them up or down, which is weird. That's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to kind of clean it up in here. I really should just, yeah, it smells pretty bad in here. I'm gonna throw a air freshener in, and yeah, that's it. So next video, I did pick up those Add-A-Leafs, so possibly next week I might try tossing that, trying to do something with the leveling kit up front. And I've got adapters coming for those 20x12s, so I'm waiting on those. And I am also waiting on, I think there's something else I'm waiting on. Oh yeah, the tip for the exhaust. I'm waiting on that to come. And then when that comes, I'll get a couple of band clamps, and then I can do a 8-inch axle dump. And should sound pretty good. This already sounds unreal. Just straight turbo spool all the time. It's awesome. But yeah, so stay tuned for those videos, guys. Hope you enjoy this truck, and leave suggestions for paint. What do you think I should paint it? I'm thinking white again, remake the other one. These trucks look so much better in white than the flat nose, so yeah, let me know, and see you in the next one.